Hi there friends, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to clear cookies on any Android phone. Cookies are small files saved by websites to remember your preferences, but sometimes clearing them can help fix loading issues, improve privacy, and free up a little space on your device. Open the Chrome browser. This is the browser most Android users use for everyday browsing. Once the browser is open, look at the corner of the screen. Tap on your Google account profile icon or the three-dot more symbol. Now find and tap on Settings. This will open the Chrome settings page where you can control different browser options. After that, see the Privacy and Security, then tap on it to open the page. Next, you'll see several options related to your browsing data. Look for Delete Browsing Data or a similar option and tap on it. A new page will appear showing different types of data you can remove from your browser. Now select Cookies inside Data. You can also choose the time range, for example, all time, if you want to remove everything. After selecting your preferred option, tap on Delete Data or Clear Data at the bottom of the screen. Your cookies are now cleared on your Android phone. Hope this helped. Like the video and subscribe for more simple tech guides.